Coffee Break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani, where I dress up just for YouTube because it's Thursday, midday, and I have nowhere to go, but I want it to feel cute for you guys. So this is what we're going with. What do we think? Got my FabFitFun headband on, which a lot of you expressed to me that is not your favorite, and that's okay. I really like these knotted headbands. I think they're called knotted headbands, turban headbands, whatever it's called. If they're velvet, send it my way. So today we're here with our favorites. I think I'm overdue for my favorites. I think maybe the move got in the way, or weather, or my moods, or something, and we're behind on doing our favorites. And I was very overwhelmed with the amount of favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. So what I thought I would do instead is just pick a couple and then just do another one really soon. Like just follow up with another favorites. Like nobody said favorites have to be every 30 days, you know, like it could be every 14 days, or I could split it up where I set a couple things aside because they were from Amazon. So I'm like, even though they were my monthly favorites, they're from Amazon, so it could be in my Amazon favorites. Welcome to Coffee Break with Dani, the world of long introductions. Being how nostalgic y'all are with the whole welcome to my face and the jingle, I thought I would bring that one back too. You're welcome. All right, let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about what I've been loving lately. Some of this stuff's gonna look familiar because you've seen it on my face, in a haul, on my body. Cochinas. The first thing that I want to share with you guys is this, and I'm a little offended that none of y'all's told me about this. Like, how is it that I am so late to jump on the bandwagon of the BRIOGEO Banana Coconut Nourishing Superfood Body Cream? This stuff is amazing! Oh my gosh. Even the airplane agrees. Can you hear it? They don't care I'm filming. They don't care what's going on in my life. Okay, so this is a body cream. This is one of those body creams that you put it on, and until the end of the day, when you take a shower and wash it off, you know it's on the surface of your skin. It is so emollient, but it's not greasy. It's weird. It does like this moisture. Wow, it looks like I'm buff. Look at that. Are we? Ay, Topo's ruining my muscle flex. Look at that. Just pretend there's a muscle there, okay? It's hard to describe. It's not oily. It's not like coconut oil where you put it on and it's like, yes, slip and slidey, slippery like a seal. No, it is very hydrating. It's hydrating all day. It's not sticky, but it's not oily. It's very hard to achieve, but somehow they managed to do it. And the best part about it is that from the way my hair smells to the way my body smells, like bring this in a body wash. Like just give me the whole set, BRIOGEO. Give me the whole set. Let me smell like giant Laffy Taffy with a splash of coconut. I'm here for it, okay? So if you guys have monstrosity lizard, dragon, scaly, scabby skin like I do from the neck down, this stuff is awesome. Smells good, super hydrating, and you can put on your jeans without getting stuck in them. You know what I'm talking about? Skinny jeans after you put on lotion? Yeah, no. You guys just want to see me keep doing this motion, don't you? I'm literally speaking at the highest volume that I could possibly achieve right before screaming, and he is passed out. Is that love or what? Like he's used to my level of obnoxious. Anyway, if you guys see this video at some point before 2021, if you see it before 2021, the code DANI on the BRIOGEO website will get you 20% off your total purchase. The code DANI will get you 20% off your total purchase. This is not a sponsored video. That is not an affiliate link code or anything. So me talking about it isn't getting me any kind of credit. FYI, but I just wanted to share because it's kind of what's been happening in my life right now. It's why I'm so moisturized. It's why my hair is so shiny, okay? We get the point. Recently, I hauled this shave cream from EOS. Is it EOS or EOS? I think it's EOS. I want to say that because underneath it says Evolution of Smooth. This shave cream is the shave cream that I've been on the hunt for my entire life. This is what a shave cream is supposed to be. I don't need to get into details, but if you guys love a luxurious shave, you're a woolly mammoth like I am, and you have dry skin, run, don't walk. Run to your nearest Ulta or order online because this stuff is the bomb. I just gave away my age, you're welcome. The Juliette Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes is my current favorite perfume. I discovered this suckerito from my Scentbird subscription. I sucked it dry. A Scentbird vial has never lasted me such a short amount of time like that one did, but you better believe that the Sephora VIB Rouge sale happened and I was like, boom, adds to cart. This stuff is so sexy. It's what salty vanilla needs to be. It's not sexy vanilla. It's not like vanilla. No, it's not sweet. It's not heavy. It's not creamy caramelly or like you dance like this. Just pretend that's really sexy, okay? It is salty, oceany vanilla. So if you want to smell like vanilla, but not like you can't pull off sexy like me, that's a fragrance you are going to love. I have yet to try a Juliette Has a Gun fragrance that I don't like. Not a Perfume is one of my favorites. There's another one that I tried. It's like a hot pink bottle. I used it up and I never repurchased it. Love that one too. So great fragrances from that brand. I'm not sure though if they are cruelty free. So that stresses me out a little bit. But not so much so where I stopped talking about it and doing this on the internet for you guys, you know? All right, moving on. Lots of makeup. Got lots of makeup going on there. The At Forest site, hopefully by the time you see this video, it's been restocked. This is the RawBeautyKristi ColourPop collab palette. If you haven't tried it, whoa, I'm totally vibing with this palette. Look at that. Don't look at that. Just like lint everywhere. Look, it goes with my whole like fall winter vibe. I'm really in the mood to dance, and clearly I never learned how, so just pretend that I'm a good dancer. This palette is amazing. It is wonderful, and I don't know what kind of sorcery they did to make those mattes perform the way they do, because I'm pretty sure something illegal is going on here. They're that good, but I digress. All right, keeping up with this makeup theme. So I recently had my microblading retouched, and that's like my favorite time of the year. Sorry, Santa. But I love it because, and I don't get it every year, by the way. I just noticed how that sounded. I get it every 2 to 3 years. It's just my favorite time because I hardly have to do anything to my brows. In fact, the only thing I ever need to do is tinted brow gel. So for example, today I'm using the Beauty Counter tinted brow gel, and I used the very last bit of it because it was drying out, and I'm kind of frugal and kind of cheap with weird things like that, and so I used it up, put it in my empties bin. But my two favorites, which have already since been repurchased, are the Glossier Boy Brow and the Double Duty Busy Brow Gal from Tarte. The Tarte one is exclusive to Ulta. The bottom one you can only find online. These airplanes, man. Isn't COVID going on right now? Like, where are people traveling to? What's going on out there? Can you hear it? Probably not. I'm probably just complaining. Anyway. This one is my absolute favorite. So if you guys have control issues like I do, and I don't mean like in life, I mean because you overdo it, look at this little brush. This gives you perfect control over doing feathered hairline strokes, narrow strokes, thicker strokes. You can do your tail. Like, it's super cool to use because you can't overdo it because it's so skinny mini. But this one is the best color. This is Glossier Brown. Boy Brow in brown. Sorry, you guys, I'm waiting for Ernie to come back from daycare. Twice a week, she goes to daycare to play with really big dogs, and she comes home super tired. So I'm like monitoring to make sure I don't miss when she gets here. My baby's coming home from school. Hopefully she saw her boyfriend. So this is what the Glossier Boy Brow looks like. Do you see the difference in the wand? But the color is a dream. Like, this is what every brunette brow shade should be. It's done perfectly right. So I wanted to make sure that if you guys are into the 5-minute makeup looks, if you guys want that mommy on the go makeup look, if you want that put together look, but like I'm trying, but I'm not trying that hard, like I just want to look cute, but not like I was in front of the mirror for 3 hours, these types of products, tinted brow gel products are so good. The moussey ones, like these, change your life. They're game changers for sure. Okay, then I did want to mention this, which is totally random. It's a little boring if I am honest, but it's kind of like a double mention. One, it's part of the RawBeautyKristi collection, which, I mean, it's a brown eyeliner, no big deal. However, she thought this through and it is the perfect brown for the waterline. I'm wearing it today. It's the perfect brown for the waterline, and she partnered up with an amazing brand because all of the liners that ColourPop has are awesome. So do you see that? It's literally like a milk chocolate bar. It's the perfect brown. I love it for the waterline, and I love how creamy and pigmented ColourPop liners are because they don't tug, pull, or are uncomfortable. Love them. Look at that. Do you see it? You see it? It's right there. It's looking at you. It's looking back at you. Anyway, there's that. The highlighter that I'm wearing today is a highlighter that I have to hide because otherwise I won't use any of my other highlighters. Like I have to bury it in my highlighter drawer. I just won't dig out any of the others. This is Lit from Milk Makeup. That's what it looks like. You can't really get an idea, but then when you see it on my face, you're like, oh yeah, get a perfect idea. I love this color. It's described as a rose gold, and when you look at it in the pan, it also looks rose gold. There you go, it's a little more rosy. But on the skin, it just looks like I got trampled by a horde of baby unicorns, you know, and I'm totally here for it. Really love this. But like I said, it's so good that I have to hide it because otherwise I won't use anything else. Now, this isn't a highlighter for those of you that like the natural look. Like, you're in the wrong place if you want a natural highlighter. We don't know how to do natural, okay? Not for highlighter. Everything else maybe. I mean, look at my complexion. But when it comes to highlighter, it's like, does it come with shards of glitter? And then, in the last few videos, I was wearing this nail polish and I forgot how much I loved it. Again, I don't know if it's cruelty-free, but I've had it in my stash for years. I went to get a pedicure a couple months ago and I really wanted this color. And if you guys watch my weekend vlogs, you'll see what color I actually ended up with. It wasn't my favorite. So I came home, we moved, I busted all my toenails, boxes fell on my feet, it was terrible. I finally had an excuse to peel off the Smurf blue. Loved the color, it was beautiful. However, it wasn't the color I wanted. I wanted a charcoaly, dusty blue, and this is it. So if you guys saw that weekend vlog and I was like, hey, can you guys recommend a better color? This is what I was hinting at. So take a hike from Color Club. It's like the dirtiest charcoaly navy. You know what I mean? It's like the perfect combo blue, whatever. Anyway, let's talk about lips. 2 products that made my heart flutter recently are from NYX and from IT Cosmetics. So right now, the Click Pen solid gloss form lipsticks are popular right now. Brands like Tarte and IT Cosmetics are doing it, and they're all doing it right. I mean, if I'm honest, I haven't tried one that I don't like right now. And so this color in particular is Humble, and it's been sold out on the IT website for a while. I don't know why. I do know why, but bring it back. Like, you knew, Jamie Lee Kern, that we were gonna love Humble. You knew that. You should have made like triple stock because this thing is bomb. So let me show you guys what the packaging looks like. It is a solid lip gloss. So it's basically a balmy lipstick, okay? Like, let's not rebrand products that already exist. It's a balmy lipstick. The only thing is that it comes as a click form, in like a click form style. Why am I, there we go. Wow. I'm not directionally challenged. So that is Humble. Let me do a nice generous swatch for you guys. And I'm going over and over and over and over so you can see how deep it is. But if you sheer it out, it's actually quite sheer. But the color is just so flattering. So that's what it looks like. Look at that shine. Do you see that? It is such a sexy, balmy, lipsticky gloss. The reason that I wanted to talk about the IT ones versus the Tarte is because the IT ones are actually lip serums. So they actually have like some sort of nutrient complex that's better for your lips, that actually benefits your lips in some way. So I really like these. They are minty, so keep that in mind, but anything that's minty is only gonna increase blood flow and make your lips look a little like flush, so it'll make them look juicier. So it's kind of a good thing, right? But I wanted to show you this because this is almost the exact same shade as Dip from Kosas, which is their lip oil. So if you like the lip oil instead, go with Dip from Kosas. If you like a solid balmy version, go with Humble from IT Cosmetics. Love this stuff. I hope they restock it before the holidays because this would be a great gift for your girlfriends. And then the last one is what's on my lips right now as a lip topper. So it's not on my lips alone, it's under a lip liner, but this is That's Fire from NYX. It is a lip topper that is a nude base with micro glitter. It is a paddle applicator, which is my favorite kind of applicator because all I have to do is go under and then flip it and go above. But I love this lip gloss because the glitter is so fine you can't see it or feel it on your lips. And as it wears away throughout the day, it wears away pink. It doesn't wear away metallic or silver. It doesn't leave that like glittery scab on your lips. And it's almost like an oily jelly gloss. It's not sticky. Look how easy I wiped it off with a Kleenex. I didn't even need to use a makeup wipe. So it's like a gel. It's like a gel gloss. It's very lightweight. It's so easy to wipe off. The glitter comes off gracefully. You don't get that coat of glitter and you can't feel the glitter. Usually when you have a lip topper like this, it's on such a thick base that you get like a glitter scab on your lips and it's so uncomfortable. It's not my favorite. Anyway, that is it for my current favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that BRIOGEO is having a sale on their site right now. So if you guys want to take advantage, the code DANI will get you 20% off. Again, not sponsored, promise. I already took care of that post. Not sponsored, but I did want to mention it because I know BRIOGEO is a brand that everyone loves and I know they very rarely have a sale. So now is the time to take advantage. Plus I need to restock this, clearly. I'm running out. Like I'm at that point where I have to do this every time I use it and then fold it and then use the fold as like, you know, to push, like get some resistance. Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. All the products that you saw in this video will be listed and linked in the description box of this video. I love you guys so much and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!